Want some carrots? I got you some carrots. Here comes the ducks. Whoa. Here comes the ducks. Hi, ducky. Where's all the other? Here they come, following me. What are y'all doing? You want some, the rest of these carrots? I brought these carrots out because they're starting to go bad. And I didn't want to go to waste. And here comes the greedy bunch. The greedy bunch. Come on, that's all I have is carrots, you guys. That's all I have today. The greedy bunch. Oh, there comes the heron. That's that heron that was watching me that one day. He's a weird looking thing, isn't he? I see you. I see you, Mr. Heron. This is white ibis. That's a Muscovy duck. Them are mallards. Oh, there's two, look at that. Is this Mr. and Mrs. Stork? Mr. and Mrs. Stork? Yeah, y'all don't want to eat those carrots? Y'all don't like carrots? Well, that's all I have. Alright. And there's another Muscovy over there. That's all I have, guys. They're looking at me like, don't you have anything else? Nope. I don't have no cat food today. Nope. Not for y'all. Oh, look at the babe. Them are little ones. White ibis. There's a lot of them out here. Look at them storks. Aren't they something? Alright, I'm going to walk to the store. I thought I'd bring these carrots out to them. Try not to trip here because this is on a hill. Okay, y'all have fun.